guys, heading to Old Moby today. It's a beautiful day. Blue skies, clear, crisp, about 53 degrees here in Florida, which is considered a cold front. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to try something that I've never done my entire life. Maybe you guys have. I don't know. I haven't. So I'm going to ask you guys a question. Maybe give you a little prelude to what might be going down. Have you guys ever spooned before? Well, I'm going to leave you with that. Thanks for watching. Check out the video. Hope you like it. Thanks, guys. Right, here we go, guys. Take 3, take 4. Had to go get some longer rivets, about 3/4 of an inch instead of half an inch. Hopefully these are gonna work, and I'll show you guys how I do it. And if you got any tips or tricks, or tell me to do something a little bit better, appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Let's do this. All right, let's try this again. Alright guys. It's a little hot out here. So I was talking earlier about spooning. Let's try this trick. See that? I'll try that. Put some mineral spirits on it. I'm going to put that caulk in there. I'm going to give it a shot. See how it does. So guys, as you can see here, slow and steady wins the race. I've used this little Ryobi caulking gun for quite a while. It works out pretty good. You can adjust the speed that it comes out, and it actually stops when you let off the trigger. So you're probably wondering, did the spooning work? It actually worked pretty well. The trick was to keep the spoon clean, keep the mineral oil on it. I did harm about 4 spoons during the filming process here. Ended up breaking them. You know, they're pretty brittle. It's probably using too much pressure. One tip or trick would be that you don't wait too long before you try smoothing it out, because if you do, this OSI caulk actually skins over a little bit, makes it a little bit more difficult to do. Something that I did end up doing, worked out pretty well, was I just put some mineral oil, mineral spirits on my finger and smoothed it out, and I was actually able to feel the pressure that I was using a lot better. It came out a lot nicer. As you can see, a lot of sealing here. I actually sealed up the ends of the rivets as well, and then I'm gonna go back and paint everything. I'll probably go through the windows and remove all of the silicone that was put in there. It's not really, paint doesn't stick well to it, but paint definitely sticks well to this material. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and kick off some spoon music. Thanks for watching.